Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So in the deeper study of the surahs, today I'm going to be doing ayah number 12 of Surah Mulk. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Ayah number 12 is Innal lazina yakhshawna rabbahum bil ghaibi lahum maghfiratun wa ajrun kabir. So let's look at the translation of this ayah first. But there is forgiveness and a great reward for those who fear Allah their Lord, though they cannot see him. So first of all, let's see the meaning of fearing Allah, yakhshawna. Fearing Allah has been interpreted in two ways. There are two meanings of it. The first is that these believers fear Allah even though they have never seen him. And the second is that the believers fear Allah when they are alone and no one is seeing them. So many people, they act pious when they are around other people, but when they are alone they do things which Allah have stopped them from doing, and we all need to check ourselves for that. But the two meanings of it is that these believers who are getting the great reward are the ones who fear Allah even though they have not seen Allah, and the second is, and they fear Allah even when they are alone and nobody is seeing them. They observe taqwa and they correct themselves. But these qualities show how pure iman of a person is. So only a person with a pure iman can observe taqwa when he is alone, and also fear Allah even though not seeing him. Then the next is forgiveness is before rewards. You see in this ayah, innal lazina yakhshawna, though all those people who fear Allah, rabbahum, their Rabb, bil ghaibi, even though they have not seen him, lahum maghfiratun, for them there is maghfirah, wa ajrun kareem, and the ajrun kareem has been mentioned after maghfirah. Why is that? So let's look at that. We see that in this ayah, forgiveness comes before great reward. And why is that so? On judgment day, believers will be worried about the result of their bad deeds, because even though you are a believer, we are a believer, we all do bad deeds. So the people will be worried about that. First, they will be forgiven for their so their fear of punishment goes away. So Allah, they will get forgiveness from Allah, and their fear that we are going to go in Jahannam, that's going to go away, and then they can freely enjoy the great reward. The real test of every person in this world is to use their intellect and reasoning and follow the right way of Allah. So the people who fear Allah even when they don't see him, when they are alone, will have a great reward. And this is what this ayah is, innal lazina yakhshawna, all those people who yakhshawna, they fear Allah even though they have not seen him, and also when they are alone, rabbahum, their Rabb, bil ghaibi, in ghaib, like they have not seen Allah, lahum maghfiratun, for them there is maghfirah, for them there is forgiveness, wa ajrun kabir, and a lot of reward. And this kabir word has also been used for the disbelievers. Where is it? Yeah, fi zalalin kabir. You see in this ayah, kalu bala, those disbelievers, when they will be asked that what why didn't a warner come to them, they said kalu bala, indeed yes, kad ja ana nazir, a nazir, a warner did come to us, fakazabna wa kulna, but we denied him and we said ma nazalallahu min shay'in, Allah did not reveal anything, in antum illa fi zalalin kabir over here also. So those people, they were in kabir, big ignorance. And these people, for these people, compared to all those disbelievers, the people who believe and they fear Allah even though they have not seen them, for them there is ajrun kabir. That means that they have a big reward. So there is just this comparison between the word kabir used both for the disbelievers in a different way and for the believers in a different way. So that's all for today. Inshallah, I'll continue further in my next video with the next ayah. Fi aman Allah.